Hey, what's going on YouTube? We just got this today. It's the iPhone 13 Pro Max with the screen protector and also the clear case MagSafe case. So we're going to do an unboxing of all three of these right now, but we'll start with obviously the main attraction. So this is obviously the iPhone Pro Max 13. The bottom is the Apple logo, side says iPhone, top is the Apple logo, and the other side it says iPhone. On the back is just some documentation, regulatory information, and things like that. And this year they've done two pull strips to be able to remove the iPhone from its packaging. So I'm just going to go ahead and take the first one off. And then the next one. Okay, that's garbage. We'll put that to the side for now. Turn it around. We'll just slide it right up. There we go. They have a little indent for the camera to be able to protect it, which is smart thinking on Apple's end. And there is the phone. They present it like that with a little lift tab here to lift it up and out. And that is just a white backing, obviously for the screen, to keep the screen safe and protected. So we will actually put this in here for now momentarily. See what else is in the box. Designed by Apple in California, as always, manufactured in China. There is a SIM eject tool, documentation, regulatory information, and a single sort of frosted Apple sticker in there. Just put that back in there. And one USB Type-C Lightning one USB Type-C to Lightning port, cable. Put that back in there. That's it for what's in that box, aside from obviously the iPhone, which we'll have here. We're going to take off. They put a little indication here for charging. So I guess if you don't know where the charge port is, it's a little helpful hint. So that's what that's for. Let me just peel this off. And there we have it. It's a very nice looking phone. We're going to boot it up real quick. And while that's booting up, we're just going to put it to the side, let it do its thing there. This obviously plastic covering we don't need, and I never use these items anyways, so we just put that back in the box. And moving on to the next thing is the case, obviously, for the iPhone, the new iPhone. Once again, a little bit more garbage. Just peel it open, slide it right out. Lift it right out. And in the backing here, it's kind of cool. It actually says designed by Apple, designed by Apple in California. It does have some information on there, like I guess it's a product number, and that's it. It's a pretty rigid, sturdy plastic. It's quite nice. And then, is there anything else in the box actually? Yes, there is. There is something else in the box. Let me just get that out. What is this? This is basically letting you know that it is got magnets inside, and it can interfere with medical devices. So I would just be careful or be cautious as to when you have this around you. So we just put that back in there. And last but not least, sorry, let's put that away, is the screen protector for the new iPhone that we just got. And just from Belkin, that was the one that Apple had. And of course, they've sponsored Belkin quite a few times. There's helpful instructions here and here. as to how to apply it. There's also a little, I guess, information right here on how to apply it if you have never done it before. I have never done it with Belkin on with their tray before, so this will be a first time for me. And just take it out. It's there. They have also the dust remover sticker, and I think that is all they have in here. Yep, that's it. It was all in that little package there. So they give you a little sticker and a wipe cloth to clean it up, and the tray to help you align it so it's perfectly aligned. And that is it. That's in that. So let's put that to the side also. And that's it. I thought I had the iPhone boot up. I apologize. I did not. I'm going to boot it up right now. There we go. It's just turning on right now. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe.